Hey guys, it's Russell back, and on today's video I've got a little quick project here that I've wanted to do on the Mercedes for a very long time. As part of that, bring that Mercedes back from the dead. This is a very awkward camera shot. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get my tripod in here, but let me show you something. If you guys ever had this anomaly happen, the heat has caused the, well, this is the MB text to come away from the plastic. So how do you fix that? Well, I'm going to show you, and I'm going to be using this. This is the best adhesive that you can use for this that money can buy. This is kind of expensive. I think it's almost $20 for a can, but it will permanently fix that. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the, since I'm going to have to, I'm not going to take this off. I'm going to take some paper and some tape and mask around here so I don't get any spray on here. And because I'm going to be spraying both sides of this, the plastic and the back side of the vinyl. And then we're going to let it sit about 10 minutes, and then we'll put it back up and it'll be good as new. Let's see. One thing I'm going to have to make sure to do is that this gets tucked in down here. But anyway, I don't know, there's just no good way to do this. I don't have a little tripod. Actually, you know what? I'm going to see if I can get my Gorilla tripod and do that. All right, we'll be back. All right, so hopefully this camera angle will work. You never know until you go to edit it. So I'm just going to take some newspaper and I'm going to lay it down here. I just don't want to get overspray on anything from the adhesive. I'm going to take some masking tape. I have a piece of cardboard on the outside of the window to try to block the light glare. Because pretty much once you get this stuck down here, you're not going to be able to reposition it very good. Now the directions on the label say that you need to spray it and wait at least 4 minutes, but no longer than 30. And the reason is you want it to tack up. So both sides are going to be very tacky. So I'm just gonna give a test spray out here. All right, so this comes out in a fan that's really, well, you'll see. So I'm gonna try to spray down here first. stinks. I'm going to use this as a shield. Whew, that is some strong stuff. All right, so set my timer here. All right, so it's been like 18 minutes and I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Now, before, as I said, I'm gonna have to make sure that this is tucked in, because once this stuff touches the other side of the glue, and I'm using these tools right here, these are just trim tools. So you really only get one shot at it. Okay, I'm just making sure that this is down. And I'm just going to work my way up the seam here. Okay, so far it's looking good. The only way you're going to fail, the only way that you're really going to fail doing this is if, can you guys see that? The only way you're going to fail doing this is if you don't let the glue set, okay? The strength is not in the glue as it's wet. The strength is in the glue when it's bonding to the other side of the glue. And if you touch this stuff right now, it's very dry to the touch. Doesn't feel sticky at all, but the properties of this are very different when it touches the other glued side. Please don't use a screwdriver doing this. You will damage your vinyl here. And again, if you want to take this panel off, it would be considerably easier. But I didn't want to do that. And then I'm just going to pull this up. It's got a little bit of a stretch to it. Let me remove this tape. Pull this out. Okay. Now I'm just gonna take my hand and press where it was sprayed. Okay, let me remove the tape and the paper. Okay, now let's get this off the tripod. All right, so now it's nice and flat, and that will not go anywhere for a very long time. All right, guys, so I hope this video was helpful. If you have trim or, well, gosh, you could even use this on headliners that's coming off, give this a try. This is the best trim adhesive that you can buy. And see what you can do with it and save a trip to the upholstery shop. So I will talk to you guys on the next video.